So about a month or so ago, I got this idea that I can take old plastic cups and scrap wood and start making things out of them and make, decor items like lamps. And part of our modern economy is promoting yourself on things like YouTube so you can help build a relationship. And I realized my shop has a few flaws. It's a garage that's attached to our house in Astoria, and it definitely needed a new roof, and you can see the water damage back here, which I'm pretty sure is just water damage, not black mold. I want to make that look nicer. I want to cover it up. I want to make it go away so that as I do these videos talking about how to take old materials and make them look cool, people aren't saying, yeah, but can't you make your shop look cool? So I'm going to take this lattice that we had in the backyard and I'm going to break it down and actually turn it into paneling. Now, you can do this inside your house if you want to. Personally, I think it's good for this kind of shed, shop, pseudo interior, exterior kind of space. So I'll go through some steps and let's see how this looks.
Breaking apart lattice actually isn't that hard. What you can do is just thwack on each point and it kind of pops right apart. Now, that works for a while. And of course, if you get loose pieces like that one, it tends to break. But, when it doesn't really pop apart, you just put the hammer in there and you break it apart. Then I've got a big pile of sticks that I got to process.
So one of the challenges I have is all of these nails on here, which are kind of annoying. But all I do is I put them on the cement floor. Dance old jig. That flattens them. Then I have these bits here that I need to cut off. End up with a pretty good pile of little end bits, but I also have a really nice pile of wood that I can now put up on the wall. Honestly, I'm not trying to cover the entire wall. I'm just trying to cover it up a little bit. And this is a total side project that I'm doing like in an hour or two in the afternoon while I'm also melting some plastic and doing a couple other things. So, I'm using the nailer, punching things up there, and the nailer jams occasionally, which is really kind of annoying. I'm also trying to use the cheap nails. I could use the cheaper stapler, but as it progresses, it really starts to look like a very different wall. And there we go. I mean, there's still like stuff over here, and I got to replace that door, and I didn't go all the way down. But to take this lattice that I honestly hate, I really hate that diamond lattice, but I love this wall treatment. So I think it's a hell of a lot better. Hope you like it.